How's everybody doing today? So today I'm showing you guys the top best jailbreaks for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called YouTube Reborn. It's YouTube Customizer. It's basically YouTube++ alternative. Should work on the latest YouTube version as I'm making this video. The next tweak is called Swipe Selection. Version 1.0 beta 9 is out. Basically the changelog for this is added slide cut compatibility, added delete cut compatibility. So what this tweak does is that when you text somebody, you can swipe, on the keyboard, and you can easily move the cursor. So on the iPhone S and above, I think you can hold on the space bar, but this is way more convenient. It's a lot more just integrated, 100% more integrated, guys. You can literally so much easier, and you just slide on the keyboard, and you can easily move that cursor. So it makes typing a lot more efficient, a lot more just better in every way. I love it. It's a tweak that I honestly love. If you type a lot, it's a perfect tweak to have. This tweak is called Double Tap Lock. Basically, lock device by double tapping on the home screen. So this is the other one, Double Tap Lock. For this one, it requires iOS 13 to 13.4. Tap 2 times to lock in home screen. This tweak is called Text Time. Display the time as text. So instead of having the time as numbers, you display the time as text. This tweak is called Coloration. A brand new tweak supporting both iOS 13 and 14 lets you color all the elements of your device, including all the ones that Apple doesn't allow. So those features, you have the status bar, system wide, home screen, lock screen, apps, system colors, sliders, presence, tweak settings. So it's pretty cool. This tweak is called Rhino. It's updated to version 1.169.0. That's for Iris Ninja. But yeah, so Rhino 3.2 version for Cydia. The first Instagram tweet allows you to save videos and view unsent messages. So you have user features, story features, pro features. This is all for the Instagram app. It's an Instagram++ alternative. This tweet is called eKip. Basically gets iOS Control Center and notifications on macOS. So you get your iOS Control Center notifications on your Mac. So in other ways why this is good is just because if you are your phone's across the table, or you don't want to use your phone as a distraction, you're trying to actually get work done. I know a lot of us are virtually working or just even doing schoolwork from home. College, high school, middle school, elementary school, whatever it is. Your phone distracts you from doing work, then the notification will pop up on the Mac. So when you're doing your work, it's you can check notifications and not have to keep being distracted by your phone. This tweak is called AppCake 7 Installer. It's AppCake Installer. So I actually did make a video on this. I haven't uploaded it yet. I'm going to upload it on my main channel, which is Apple Tech Stop. I'm not sure if this is going to my backup channel or my main channel, but on Apple Tech Stop, I will have this video on how to actually install this. You also need to install, it comes with, it installs app INST, and you have to run a command line in terminal or new term to actually install this. But it's basically just AppCake. You install this using the command line. You can also just get AppCake without a jailbreak. Just go to appcake.com or something and search up AppCake on Google. You find the first website and install AppCake. This is just installed through the command line. This tweak is called Photos Pro. Adds many features to the application of Photos compared with iOS 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So you have these features right here: autoplay, a window pops up when edited, skip the delete confirmation window, hide private and search albums, hide media type options from albums. So pretty cool. This tweak is called Bat Saver Pro or Bat Saver, and it can double your battery life. So it's clever, wise, clear. It's on your home screen, and yeah, so it helps you save your battery. This has been updated for a while. This tweak is called iFunnier. Just actually came out. Blots ads, save any content, no watermark, and more on iFunny. So pretty cool. This tweak is called K's, and hasn't been updated since iOS 9.10, but quick switcher in hot corners. So you pull up the bottom left corner, the screen to access quick switcher, then release your finger downwards to switch to the selected apps, or optionally upward to access the original app switcher. This is called Complications. Brings Apple Watch widgets to your iPhone's lock screen. This is called Translo, a lifesaver translate tweak. It just makes it easier for you to translate, when you're messaging other people who speak different languages, like foreigners. It supports these apps right here. And it supports iOS 12, 13, and 14, and it's free. This is called Portrait XI. So supports for iOS 14, I believe. So single camera portrait mode. So it requires these devices or above. So yeah, it's a portrait mode for single camera devices. Yep. so it does support iOS 14. It tells you all about what it supports, what it doesn't support, etc. You read all about it. That's the screenshots. You can definitely tell the difference. It looks amazing. This screen is called Clean, awesome widget for home screen and lock screen. This is called Auto Clash Bot iOS, and wall upgrades base search with collector amount. So it would train troops, search for dead bases, would go legendary requirements, attack and deploy your army, including your clan castle troops and heroes. Requires iOS Touch version 5.1.2-7 or above. So it is $9.99. It just plays Clash Royale, or for this one's Clash of Clans for you. So it's pretty cool. You do need auto touch for this. This is called Translate-O-Matic. Quickly translate any text. So just like Translo, you can translate your text when you're speaking to foreigners or someone who does not speak the same language as you. This is called Rounded CC. It rounds the buttons and sliders in the control center. This is called Central. Center the last row of icons on your home screen. This is called Heartlines. I know there's trembling in your heartlines, so brings a new lovely design to your lock screen clock. This is called Device. ARM64 dual boots, tether downgrades on device. So within the app, Checkmate's use a tethered boot. So I tried this, guys. It did give me a boot loop, so I lost all my data and stuff. So just be really careful with dual boots and all that stuff. And you could easily mess up, or your device. It's just, even if you get everything right, you can still mess up your device, and you have to boot. You have to be stuck in the boot loop, and then you have to lose all your data and upgrade to the latest iOS version, lose a jailbreak, lose all your photos, games, apps, data. So it's just be really careful. Definitely use this on a device that's not your primary, a device that you can care less about if you lose all your data on. So I would definitely recommend buying a test device if you want to use this. And the last tweak is called Blurry Badges. So yeah, basically this tweak, iOS badges should be blurry too. There are many blurry UI out there. Tweak allows you to customize badges, blurry style. So yeah, I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Blurry badges adds customizable blur springboard icon badges, and blurry bar. So I supports iOS 7 and up. Provides a blurry effect, photos, background, style, UI, or dock to the home screen status bar. So, yep, peace.